when I can't sleep, and it's like 11:26 p.m. So I don't know where that goes. I'm not really hungry, but I want something kind of like snackish. And all I had tonight was a beet salad and my cocktail and some water. Some kind of, I want something to snack on. I normally don't eat this late at night, but I'm going to make the best of the situation that's at hand right now. And yeah, I've been doing pretty good. I stay on track, but we're gonna make some a lot healthy. All I need is 3 ingredients. Stick with me. We're gonna use some avocado, fresh, already peeled and pitted. Tomato, jalapeno, fresh red onion, and tomato. We're gonna make some guacamole. Some guac for this late night craving snack. Lord, what I got going on right now? Hey, it is what it is. We're staying safe, we're staying healthy, we're off work. A lot of people are unhappy about the situation, but the way I look at it, the shit could be worse. I'm just saying. All it's doing is making us come together, recognize what's going on, pay attention, and be serious about the situation, and help one another. I'm not condoning it, but I'm not finna let it get me down saying, dang, I can't go to work, what am I gonna do? I'm finna eat. If you feel free to join me, go ahead. But I'm finna make some guacamole. So, let's chop up the tomato first. It's not a lot of tomato. I don't want a lot of tomato in mine. I'm kind of tipsy, but I'm home. What else am I going? Well, I did work today. I just got off work about 9 o'clock tonight. But I ain't going nowhere in the morning. I might go walk at the park. And I think in our area we have to be in by 9 o'clock, but I was able to be out after 9 because I do medical stuff. I'm a caregiver. So it was medical related where I was. So I was out after 9 o'clock. But like I said, in the morning I'll probably go for a walk. If I don't go for a walk, I'm going to sleep late. So I'm going to chop up this tomato. Maybe I should bring y'all in closer. If I make some mistakes, like drop some shit, you know why. I'm just saying. I'm going to do 1 jalapeno because I like a little spice. And I'm leaving the seeds in. We're going to make some guacamole. Hopefully y'all can see some of this. Maybe you want to be right up on the food. I might sleep better. I've been having some sleep issues and some hot flashes. So I might need to eat a little bit later at night. Who knows? That might be the remedy, right? You never know. But I'm leaving all these seeds. I'm going to go with the seeds. I'm a big girl. I can handle the heat. I might not like it all the time, but I know how to get naked. So I can cool off. I need a little bit of lemon juice. I already know that. And I don't feel like cutting up my fresh lemon. Just with a small amount of guacamole. I like a lot of onion, so this is a red onion here. I have purple onion. This is my late night edition. I ain't finished because after I get through, I'm liable to go hook up that hookah. I'm just saying. This is what happens when I stay up late at night. So usually I'm asleep. Mom used to sleep at night, but since she want to keep me up, this is what I do. So we're gonna chop up a red onion. I already did some tomatoes and some jalapenos. The being if I can't sleep, we're gonna make the best of it. Don't make the best of it. I like big chunks. I can eat this onion raw. I really could. Those that don't think I would do it, raise your hand. Let's get a show of hands. I don't think I need the whole onion on. I need half of a small one. There's the onion. We're gonna do it raw. I'll add it to the bowl. Raw onion. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder to it. Not a lot. Of course, a little bit of salt. Where's my pink Himalayan salt? Here we are. And loosen that up just a little bit. What fell out? The sesame seed. Oh Lord. Trying to get added to this. Well, no, we don't want the sesame seed with this. We have black pepper. And there's the black pepper. Black pepper's going in. And it's going to look a little bit different today. I'm not using my camera. This is my iPhone. So the filmography is a little bit different. Now we're going to open up an avocado. I already peeled and pitted. No questions. Don't ask where I got it from. I'm just going to enjoy the moment. We'll slice it and dice it. Slice it and dice it. Boom, boom. And I got a lot of avocado. Gonna add it to the bowl. I'm gonna do one whole avocado. This other half, taking it out of the package. Big chunks of avocado. Close up of it. There it is. I'm gonna add that to it as well. This I'll be doing this tonight. Because I don't go to bed with dishes in my sink. Not this minute. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. A little bit of flavor. A little bit of lemon juice. Make it fresh. And I have, no, hey, don't talk about me, because hey, I do have fresh lemon. I just don't want to cut my lemon to squeeze it, and then the other half be all dried. No, I don't have a little crater for it right now, so I'm going to just use this lemon juice for this late night snack. A couple squirts. Boom, boom, we good. And I want a little bit of olive oil. We need some good fat besides the avocado. Just a little bit of olive oil with garlic infused. Boom, boom. I told you olive oil does this body great. Just treats it like it's the best thing ever. We're gonna put this onion away until tomorrow. You get a fork, and we're going to toss this up. We're going to toss it all together. I'm going to let you see it. I know you want to see it. It looks really good. Guacamole. I'm going to show it to you. There it is. My old-fashioned guac right there. I need to taste it. I haven't tasted it yet. There it is. Guacamole. Let's see. It tastes better with the jalapeno. Oh my goodness. Perfect amount of heat. In my opinion. Perfect amount of heat. Oh, I got a cedar chip. Tostada, whatever hell it is. You need to see me dip it up. You just don't. There's a chip. Look at that. If I was to eat a late night snack, this would be it. Either this or popcorn. To the hot, it's just. Okay. So now, the jalapeno is the best part. And so these chips up, we're gonna need the whole bag. I don't even know where I got this from. And she thinks every time I eat, she's supposed to eat. BB? I don't know why. It's dark. It's going to get dark. I was in my bed. So, I'm going to turn the light on. Dang. Taking a minute. So, this is quick. Really, really quick. Really, really quick. So, oh, look at my wrinkles in my face. Oh, my Lord. So, I want to enjoy my late night snack. And thank you for watching me make my guacamole.